Yo, what's up everybody? We just arrived to Pattaya. Actually, we are right now in Mercure Hotel, staying here for a one night, waiting still for the room. It's very busy. It's Saturday afternoon, 3 p.m. Seems very busy as we have to wait for the room, but it's okay. And then we're gonna rent the bike and we're gonna explore a little bit more of Pattaya today. While waiting, this is the pool situation of the Mercury in Pattaya. Last time we stayed, I think, in Travelodge over there behind the Oakwood. So it's the same area. Well, pretty old resort, but they have a nice swimming pool and everything. Let's see how it looks inside the room and then time to explore. A little update, we are changing the hotel. I think we're gonna go back to the Travelodge. We had to cancel our reservation because they messed up with the reservation system. When we after 45 minutes we got the room, there's somebody was inside the room. Imagine that. Imagine the face of the people, my and their. Whatever they was doing, doesn't matter. We are going to change the hotel. Well, I wanted to stay in Mercure, but maybe in different occasion.
So we just moved to the new hotel. We still back to the Travelodge again.
Our favorite one. Okay, let's have a look.
Okay, let's go inside.
Let's go inside. Hello, anybody's here? No? Yes? Oh my god, seems like nobody. Too bad, but it's okay. We're gonna put together, but nobody is here. So much better. Not mention it's cheaper, but doesn't matter. It's just nobody here. So cool. Okay.
All right, so we've got twin bed like this. At least that the room is empty. I mean, nobody's staying. At least you've got experience in Pattaya, honey.
Don't stay in Mercury.
Not recommended.
Not recommended.
They messed up
They messed
everything.
Not only me, there was so many people actually complaining. Alright, anyways, we're gonna explore Jomtien beach. We have to rent the motorbike. It's already almost 4 o'clock, so actually we lose over 1 hour trying to get a room. Alright, so we changed our plans again. Actually, okay, the hotel is alright now. We wanted to rent the bike. Nobody wants to rent us bike because for only one day everybody wants for more. We found the one massage shops renting the bikes, but they asked us for 500 baht plus 2,000 deposit, and it's already almost 5 and must to return the bike tomorrow before 12, so it's not even 24 hours. And we find out as we actually wanted to go only to Jomtien beach, which is like a 6-7 kilometers from here, and the Grab or the in-driver, we took in-driver, using in-driver in Thailand, it's only 100 baht, so even 120 and then 120 or 150 will be 250 instead of 500. So it's like you have to be smart what we are doing here. And we're going by car, aircon, Innova, pretty nice car. I mean, that's crazy, right?
¿Cómo estás, mami? Te quería preguntar ¿cómo remix si estás pa' mí?
Alright, and then eventually we arrived to the Jomtien beach in South Pattaya. Actually, I don't know if it's South Pattaya or Central Pattaya, but I think it's South Pattaya actually. Central Pattaya is where we stay, and North Pattaya is maybe on different occasion we're gonna see. On the other side is the Jomtien night market. We're gonna go there after the sunset, but now we're gonna explore the beach area, what's going on. Here is pretty beautiful here. Also on the way here I saw as the renting the car is also pretty affordable. If you're renting for the 1 day it's 1,500 bahts, but if you have 4 of you guys or something, and also for 1 week it's like a 5.6 thousand, which gives you about 800 a day. And there is also, of course, all the signs are in Russian language. There's so much Russian people here, by the way. Just noticed that. I'm not Russian though. If you ask, I'm not Russian. But there is so many Russian people here, everywhere, and everything is in English, in Thai, and in Russian. All the advertisements.
Yeah, so when I was in the Central Pattaya in the mall, also like that, in the toilet they are trilingual, everything like written under the Russian language. And then over there I saw also, look, over there, under the 7-Eleven, also Russian words. So what I can say then, maybe this is how it is.
A ti te queda pero espectacular. La forma de cómo me hablas pa' mí es tan peculiar. Para ser niños contigo sí me gustaría entrenar, porque haciéndolo contigo me siento fenomenal.
So one thing I just see here in Jomtien beach, it is more family friendly, chill vibe, as you see next to it as the children playground playing, And then I think that we can spot so many different nationalities there playing blend together. So now is to see how the children having fun. And behind also we can see that so many families are here having picnic, I didn't see any ladies trying to sell the service here, but yeah, very nice, and coconut tree, and will be beautiful sunset soon. And look at the beach. Wow, white sand beach, so nice.
I think this part of Pattaya is already known as Sin City. It's not anymore Sin City. I think this is the family city right now. So basically you can find anything here in Pattaya, whatever you like a Sin City vibe, if we can call, no, it's actually Pattaya, it's called Sin City, so we can call it like that, or family friendly, and well, it's actually pretty cool here. Okay, let's explore a little bit. Also, so many water sports activities I can see. The sunset gonna be in 1 hour, and that's how does it look around the beach in general. Some trees, there is the promenade where we were. I think we're gonna come back to the promenade soon. And some people enjoying their time like a picnic by the beach.
And let's go there, let's see how is the water, and yeah, little bit more.
Let's see the water. Little bit, just don't get, you have a shoes.
So nice, very clean.
Very nice and very clean. No plastic, no rubbish on the beach. So as you can see, the promenade is pretty cool, actually very similar to the central Pattaya. So many coconut trees, palm trees, and there are also bars with the sunbeds or the chairs where you could buy some drinks. This one is actually closed, or maybe quiet. It's quiet, that's for sure. It's more cozy vibe, if I can say like that. There is the main street, of course. The difference is the traffic is both ways, not only one-way system. So it's actually probably easier a little bit. There is actually double promenade, this one and this one, very close to the street, where you can watch the traffic situation as well. Of course, you can park the cars and the motorbikes just next to the promenade, which is very cool actually. And sunset gonna be in 1 hour from now, so we're gonna have a little stroll around what's going on. So last time we were in central Pattaya, today we are in Jomtien beach, but don't worry, tomorrow we're gonna be in central Pattaya again. And I think this one is more enjoyable in general. So some people chilling here in their pickup trucks, drinking, having listen to the local music. So cool actually. Yeah. What else would you like to add?
So one thing, you know, if compared with Hua Hin, I know Hua Hin is more calmer than this, but Hua Hin is further than this. When we go to Hua Hin last time, we took around 4 hours by train, but going to Pattaya only 2 hours, and we already can see beautiful white sand beach and clean.
Exactly. So, and also, if we are talking about the production of this cost of the production of those videos, coming here, we took the local bus today for 131 baht one way from Ekamai, which is actually very close where we are living. So take us only 2 hours, and like 2 times or 3 times loud motorbikes. 2 or 3 times even cheaper than going to Hua Hin. So for sure, probably we're gonna visit in Pattaya very often. So you will see that often on our videos. And let's explore today Jomtien more. Here is a little bit brighter. There is like a beach is covered by the trees. Here is like, you know, they plant the palm trees, and there are few trees. There is like so many trees is darker. So it also depends where you are, and seems like also definitely more locals coming to Jomtien beach to enjoy, not only tourists look like in the central. Here is a little bit totally different vibe, that's for sure. And also I'm gonna show you a little bit of the street situation, what's going on. Of course, so many cars, 7-Eleven on every single corner, that must be, it's Thailand obviously. And also so many nice interesting restaurants. This one seems like with the seafood, maybe with the live music or something. And also very fancy looking condominium over there. That one is actually cool if you have a room facing the ocean. That's a lovely spot. Also back to the topic of Hua Hin and our production cost of the videos. In Hua Hin everything was more expensive. The hotels was pretty dear. Renting the motorbike, okay, this one actually similar here because it's the high season. But the hotels were expensive here. Even what we booked previously, the Mercure, what we unfortunately didn't stay, was actually including the breakfast for $50. Mercure is of course better than Ibis. We paid now for the travel lodge, I think it was about 40 bucks or something like that, 38. So it's, you know, everything is cheaper, easier and quicker. And also Pattaya is simply more popular, so more people having an interest to watching Pattaya rather than Hua Hin. However, Hua Hin is great. Probably we're gonna come back one day as well. As I mentioned, many people coming here, also locals enjoying their time. So this is not only tourists, which is actually very cool. Oh, look at this auntie opening the coconut. So many visitors gonna buy it. So everything is cool. Pretty the same, but different. Same, but different. Look at this doggos here. Also cutie. And yeah, it's pretty cool. What do you think, Sayang?
So what I can say, this is more family friendly beach. So just like Hua Hin, more family friendly, but this one is more vibrant, yeah, Hania?
Yeah, this one is definitely more vibrant. This one feels a little bit like slightly like Krabi, maybe it's a little bit like a Phuket at Kamala Beach or something like that. I've been in Phuket previously, maybe you watched my videos. Yeah, like this one. Pretty cool. Okay.
Look at this one.
What's that? Oh, look at the square.
Okay, so if most of you also coming here want to, have a water sport, whatever it is, like banana boat, and this one is already written like this. I know that, when we read in the internet, one of the scams in Thailand is about, the scams like water sport or jet ski, something like that. But
regarding the scams of the water sports, there was actually, especially many years ago, regarding the jet skis, as you ran and they paint the jet skis with some sort of poor quality paint, and after 30 minutes of cruising, having fun, the jet skis looks like a piece of shit. That's seriously, that was many videos on YouTube actually, but those scams actually not exist anymore, but still you have to be careful, so you just have to do your own inspection, and you just have to be a human as well. You have to negotiate and everything should be fine. That was really common, but years ago. Currently I didn't hear anything like that, but I didn't try by myself personally as well, so I cannot promise you anything. You just have to do everything check by yourself. Here is pretty nice walk. This vibe is very cool with these coconut trees and the sunset view. Sunset is just over there. It's gonna be in 45 minutes from now, and the bars, you can have a drink. I think we're gonna have a drink right soon, right? So,
yeah.
What do you think? The water sports over there, actually what I mentioned, 80 something, I don't know, they saying 80 baht for the coconut or something like that, I don't know. And the promenade, actually the Jomtien beach is very, very long. So you're going and going and going. I could walk here for like 2 hours to cover full entire beach. Maybe one day I will do it if you would like to see, but it's actually pretty cool. Okay, now I think we really have to choose the place.
Let's have a drink first.
For the drink.
Have a break.
It's pretty hot actually as well. We're gonna drink Coke and coconut from these aunties here. We're gonna have a seat somewhere. It's actually about the weather condition in Pattaya. It's very hot, but it's still acceptable. However, I feel my camera is getting overheated nowadays. I don't know why it's like that. That means it's actually pretty hot. This lady having something. This is like a metal detector. She have it?
Yeah.
She was looking for something. That's interesting. It's always good to sit on the beach and look what's going on. The guy is coming with selling the ice cream. Thank you so much.
Already.
Thank you so much, uncle.
Already coconut.
Some other couples sitting by the beach watching the beautiful sunset. So romantic actually, and some other people here actually enjoying little drink or something like that. And so many umbrellas with the chairs, this style, not plastic chairs, but this one. I don't know what's the name of these chairs. Maybe you can let me know in the comment section exactly the name, but situation looks like this one. Definitely quieter than the Pattaya Central, that's for sure. But that's actually maybe makes it cozy look like. The sun's gonna be beautiful. And this person actually looking for gold. Many lost gold rings actually on the beaches, so that's actually a pretty cool idea.
Cheers, everyone!
Alright, got my Coke, Winny coconut. Not sure how much is it because we didn't pay it. I'm gonna let you know. But overall, all is nice actually here, very enjoyable. And well, if you are thinking about the Pattaya Central, this is too busy. Definitely go like literally 20 minutes ride by car or motorbike. It's 6 kilometers to Jomtien, and it's definitely more quieter, isn't it? What do you think? That's definitely.
Yeah, I think that for those of you who just thinking that Pattaya is, like only negative things, just go further to Jomtien. But I know that maybe you can find here also, like the ladies,
the same stuff,
the same stuff. But I think here is more local vibes and more family friendly, and then I see that everybody's, enjoying the time here.
Anyways, guys, check this out, this beautiful sunset here. Also, you don't need to really go to Koh Samui or to Phuket or to Railay Beach to enjoy the sunset on the beach. Actually, everywhere is the same. Beach is beach, sunset is sunset. It's one planet world. That's just beautiful, right? At the end, you're gonna get the heat, you're gonna get the beer or coconut or cold and watching the same sun. It's just pretty the same but different. Which is beautiful.
Oh wow, look at the blue sky over there.
And look at this guy, what he's
Oh my
doing,
God.
flying on this one, blue sky
Nice.
and sunset. Sorry for the quick movement of the camera, but the action was there. And yeah, enjoy a little bit of the sunset. Oh, also they're doing the jet ski. Actually, no, the guy on the jet ski is pushing this is banana boat, I think, right, Sarah? I think it's banana boat, like this one. So
Nice.
cool. All right, beautiful sunset. I will zoom it a little bit for you, like this one. Here you go, beautiful, isn't it? Ah, perfect. Guys, I'm gonna show you one more last shot of the sunset before we're gonna move in. So have some food, probably in the night market. Some local seller working, some guys here who are selling the bintangs. Selling the beers, actually, not bintangs. Pretty the same vibe. Like I said, here in Thailand or in Bali or anywhere around the world, sunset is sunset, beach is beach. At the end, the same sun, guys.
So look at the beautiful sunset. Very nice. And the color of the sun. So nice. I don't know why, I feel very happy to see, like those, families enjoying their good time here. Very nice, like maybe they are away from their home countries and they are here, they're still enjoying their time, just like us. We are away from our home country. Damian also away from Poland. I'm away from Indonesia, but we still can find something that we can grateful for.
Alright, it's already after the sunset. We are going for the Jomtien night market. We paid 180 baht for the Coca-Cola and coconut, so it's 100 baht for the coconut, 80 baht for the Coca-Cola, which is actually pretty expensive, to be honest. Last time in the Pattaya beach, in the aunties and uncle next to the Hilton Hotel, we paid for 2 Cokes and coconut 120 or 130 baht. So yeah, it was like that, so it was like it's a big difference. Now we know why maybe other part of Pattaya is more popular than this one. It's simply this one is more expensive. Okay, let's go to the night market now. And as you can see, guys, it's currently 7 o'clock while Pattaya is waking up for the nightlife. I mean, central Pattaya, the Jomtien beach, Pattaya is sleepy actually a little bit. No girls waiting, not so much is going on, only some people around. Probably everybody are on the night market where we are heading. Street is also not so crowded, not so many traffic jam or anything like that. So it's totally different part of Pattaya. So you might like it, or maybe it's not too vibrant for you. You can let me know in the comment section which part of Pattaya you prefer. I will see you on the night market, which is somewhere over there. On the other side, it's already dark. It's already night. It's literally 7 o'clock just right now. And this is the main street by the beach in Pattaya, next to Jomtien Beach actually. There are some restaurants here, just a few of them, not so busy. So it's totally different part of Pattaya, seriously guys. So as you see, Pattaya can have 2 different faces. And we are going to the night market. Market looks pretty lively actually, I'm gonna tell you. Nice seatings facing the street, so like in some of the bars, seems like a kids enjoying the music. Latino music here, which is actually I like personally, you know that, I like the Latino music. This is the sitting area, as I mentioned previously, quite a lot of people, as expectable. In Huahin was actually pretty the same. Most people were actually after sunset enjoying their night markets, actually the food. And well, sitting area is pretty cool. Let's see what food options we have it here. The boy playing on the phone. waiting for customers.
You must be speechless because of their pack of people on the left, on the right side.
Actually,
Look at
yeah.
that. You must be speechless.
Regarding the visitors, pretty busy to compare to the beach. And yeah, still looking for the food options. If will be something interesting here, for sure we're gonna show you. For now, I see very interesting fruits option here. Well, they have rambutans, they have mangoes, pineapples, lychee, dragon fruits, and something what I don't know what is it. That's passion fruit.
Passion fruit.
Yeah, passion fruit. Actually, I know them. And yeah, that's the prices also. Fixed prices for the fruits. So maybe you are interested, you know how much they are here. Of course, like any other night markets in Thailand so far, they will have a clothes section, accessories section, and souvenir section. This one is no different. Also, this one is interesting because it's the bikini section actually. So you know, you can find everything what you need. T-shirts, not t-shirts. Typical holiday t-shirts. But this one I see everywhere actually across Asia.
So one thing that I think that somebody commented, are you showing about the shopping place, the marketplace everywhere in Thailand? So this is what Thailand is famous for. Night, you know, food, I mean night street food, night market, shopping place, street food. So yeah, so we're showing what is it famous for.
So let's focus more on the crowds and the food options in general. I'm not sure what's going on here, why it's like that, but the middle alley for some reason is simply more busier than the previous alley, which means as probably there is more interesting food options. Definitely satas must be everywhere. That's without any doubts. Every single market have it. And yeah, let's explore a little bit what we can find over here. Fried rice, many kind of fried rice here. Fishes actually, stuff like this one. Look at this kind of skewer. This is definitely not sada. This one is actually like a proper sashlik. This is sashlik actually, not even skewer sashlik. Seems like they make it proper way. Oh, let's go. They're having a pizza slices, actually margarita for 60, bacon for 80. Looks like a homemade kind of pizza with the bread like this one. Okay, that's cool. Sausages, fishes. What else we can find here? Alligator, crocodile. Of course, must to be. This one, I need to try one day actually, the crocodile in Thailand, why not? Oh, this lady actually carry more and more of them, so it must be actually tasty. Like, check this out, they have a beautiful shawarma here. Perhaps maybe I should have it like this one. Looks very tempting, isn't it? I'm not sure how much is it actually, no prices on it. No, actually there, 70 for chicken one. Maybe we'll try, let's have a look. Orange juices, fruits, and other stuff, seafood. Very nice stuff. And well, it's actually like a 5 alleys maybe. 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe 5. So you can stroll around. This fish also looking pretty tempting actually, and the mussels and the prawns. And something very interesting is at the front. I think, okay, this one is Thai wine. That's also may be interesting for some of you. This one is the sushi section on the food court. That's also pretty interesting. I will zoom it a little bit for you. They have a pretty nice options here for 10 baht per one roll. That's cool. That's cool. Salmon, also nice. Also, very cool thing here is there is entertainment for the small kids, and this is the juice and yogurt. Actually, fruits and yogurts maybe section. Actually, 3 alleys in total. So maybe we're gonna cover the 3rd alley as well. Why not? Maybe something interesting gonna be here. Definitely some fried stuff here, and so many people actually. That's without any doubts. And those fishes here, also popular everywhere. There here have a fried chickens actually. The full chicken for 200, quarter half chicken for 100, and piece of chicken for 60. That's how they are cooking actually. And next door they are beautiful ribs, but actually those ribs looks really, really good. Look at this piece of meat, that's cool, and the bread and everything, and donuts next to it. Looks very tempting, Sayang.
Let's buy
very
something.
Nice. Sayang, what do you have, Lana?
I bought a garlic bread. So nice for 20 baht.
It's the snack, huh? Okay, let's explore more what we have it here. Pretty cozy night market. They have a piece of meat. This one looks like a kebab meat actually. And another, what this guy is cooking actually. This is very interesting something. I will zoom it a little bit for you. It's kind of like a fried burger. I think I saw it somewhere once. Like 8 people behind me in the queue and I'm waiting for the shawarma. So that must be a good one. I hope so, it's worth it.
Alright, so that's the market basically, and then this area is the sitting area. And then over there is actually the children playground. Look at that. As you see, that so many children are having a great time while the parents are here having their, dinner. And then another playground here. So what I can say then, this place is really good for those of you who are thinking to go, spend time with the family, beach, and then enjoying the night market with the family. So yeah, what I can say, those place is really packed of people. I really like how the cleaning service actually, differentiated the rubbish. Like that's for the bottle, water bottle, and this one, and to make sure that the place is really clean.
Alright guys, so situation looks like this one, as this market is actually busier than we are expecting at the beginning. There's no sitting places, so we're gonna stand. We got our Coke, we got our 2 kebabs, shawarmas with cheese, chicken one, 100 baht each, Coke 25 baht. 2 donuts, bomboloni and stuff like this one, 10 each. And corn, how much actually for corn?
30 baht.
30 baht, so 200, maybe 300 baht for all, like this one. Okay, we're gonna enjoy, we're gonna come back to the central Pattaya tomorrow, another day from Pattaya, but maybe not from Jomtien, but from the central Pattaya, obviously. I'm getting tired a little bit and hungry, so I will enjoy my food. I will see you tomorrow. See ya.